1.
This is
So
so good,
good.
man.
No, I didn't pre-pop.
Your
Oh.
blood will temper the weapons used to reclaim this world.
Press the button!
Hold on. Get in position.
Travis not here to do that.
Arise,
Well, I was waiting for it to get in position.
Yeah,
the
dude.
Maker's will.
My keybind for it went away because I respect. It's unfortunate.
I just put it on the foot pedal and I just stomped the floor.
That's the way to do it.
A wise man.
Alright, Space, you're not dying.
Second left
dude.
for pets.
No. What are you doing?
Can we get that made into a soundboard?
There you go.
Yeah.
Doug, I hope you're recording everything.
Arise, soldiers of the Iron Crucible. The Maker's will.
No, my parse is.
In the Maker's fire.
Can you guys stop creeping, please?
Are you able to drop traps inside?
Yes, but I don't know where they go. Inside.
Oh, okay.
It's kind of personal.
You can last
That's
now,
right,
Penum, please.
No way, I already did it.
Yeah, it drops it outside its
Don't
hitbox
lie.
if you drop it in there. Dagger, get next cooldown.
I already used mine.
Oh, you already.
Two
Cooch,
chests
get this
do it.
one.
The Maker's will be done.
Jav, get next one.
Burn in the Maker's fire.
You guys see my DPS, please?
Trying.
Away your impurity. Arise, soldiers of the Iron.
Yo, get next two cooldowns.
The Maker's will be done. Burn in the Maker's fire. Burn away your in the Maker's fire. Arise, soldiers of the Iron Crucible. The Maker's will be done. Burn in the Maker's fire.
Cool.